What's up guys, welcome to another video. I'm currently working on the E36, but this video is not about that. I came across some footage of a trip that me and a couple of friends made to South Australia, to JDM Xpark to go drifting. For some reason back then I didn't post the footage, I wasn't really vlogging a lot, now I am, and this footage is too good not to post. So here is a video of us running amok, driving across Australia to go drifting. I hope you guys enjoy it. What's up guys, we are out here heading off to Adelaide. It's a 10-hour drive and we're about to get on the road. We just met up with some of our friends here at the service station, gassed up, and we're ready to go. It's gonna be a crazy week. Alright, we've decided to park up for the night, get some sleep, and finish off the drive in the morning. Here's Tara as we set up in the back of the four-wheel drive. How is it?
So good.
Awesome. Front seat, back seat, love it. Matt the Aussie's going to tell me how spacious his swag is.
Jump in, mate. Look
Get fucked. Yeah, that's sick. Do you actually not have a blanket?
Nah.
What the hell, dude? You need a blanket, you'll freeze to death.
Fuck that. You Kiwis are different boys.
That's how we hold the swags down. Look at the knot. She's not very tight. It's not.
Some random old lady on the side of the road.
Worked it up.
Hey, Matt.
It's beautiful out here.
Check this out.
Had a fantastic sleep. These guys are crazy. Oh, he's done the headstand.
Hey, Chris.
I'm so impressed.
That is impressive, mate. How was your sleep?
Oh my god, it was so good. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
5-star hotel back there.
Yeah, it is.
Fucking man.
Damn. Alright guys, so I think we are about 7 hours away from the destination. We should get there about 3 o'clock today. We might get some driving time in tonight. If not, all good. We've got 2 straight days of driving over the next 2 days. So, man, weather's crazy. It's gonna be a good day. Just for anyone that was wondering, yes, that is the lid of a barbecue cut into flares, so a bit of innovation there. So we had a bit of drama. A couple of the boys up front stopped a bit quickly and Matt's car's come off the front of the trailer. Just tugging it backwards. Get it? Yep. That's it. Yeah. Keep coming back. Good morning, San Diego.
We're in South Australia.
We're in South Australia. So I think it's about near 9 o'clock and it's already over 30 degrees. So it's going to be a very interesting day to say the least. So we're ready to do some skids. We'll run through the track and that's pretty much it. Yeah, look, just tuck it all back together. Got Josh's Seth going.
Tandies, get on it.
what it was like. I was just flat. Stupid hot. So I think we break for the stairs. The wind says, yeah, I'll move it that way. With the crew.
Maddie, straight in here.
Oh, this is fuck off, Maddie. Young. Yourself, kid. Yeah, boy. Whoa.
This is day 2 of driving. Yesterday was absolutely mad. It got a bit hot, so we had to stop for a little bit. It got to like 43 degrees, so we had to chill out. But all the cars are still working. The Datsun's still going. Just the Sephiro's still going. S13's still going. R32's still going. And most importantly, the BMW is still going somehow. We're trying to figure out exactly how this miracle has happened, but hey, we're not questioning it, we're just going to go with it. Let's head out and see how the track is. This place is insane.
Oh yeah, oh, it's, break it even. Oh, choice food. It's all good.
a wrap on that video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Definitely an awesome time, and I can't wait to go back to JDM Xpark. Next video out, we are working on the E36 and sussing a couple of things out before it goes on the dyno in 2 weeks. That video will be out in a couple of days. Until then, make sure you like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram @itsmikeblake, and hit me up with any messages or comments if you guys have any questions. Woo! Peace.